morning, my precious viewers. Welcome to Real Wisdom is from God channel. Guys, today I'm going to be showing you the part 2 of the last video that I uploaded on this channel. So it's the IMO method. That's what I'm going to be showing you. How I mix the IMO with their feed, how I spray it on the floor. You see it's a very clean and neat place. It does not smell. It's just in my compound. I do pig in my compound, as I said earlier. So I'm going to be showing you all I do. I do this method every once in 3 days, twice a week. That's what I do. It depends. Sometimes I do it once a week. It depends on how the routine is, so how they mess the place up. I put on new sonders, spray the liquid. So I made the IMO myself. If you want me to make a video on that, how I make the IMO, I can also do that. Leave that in the comment section. I'll show you whenever I say the question. So today, this is what I'm going to be showing you: how I mix the feed, how I mix their drinking water with the IMO. I also do spray them with the IMO. I also spray the floor with the IMO. So basically, that's what I'm going to be showing you this morning. Guys, stay tuned. If today is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, leave a comment in the comment section, share, subscribe. You know we can do it. As I always say to you guys, I love you guys. I love you all. Stay tuned and keep on watching my video. Let's go and see how we do it. Add the IMO, just 1 teaspoon to this water. It was filled up. I took from it to mix the feed. That is why it's like this. So I mixed it. I add a little starch because the microorganisms, they prefer starch. They like starch. If you have corn meal, is okay. You can also add to it if you don't have starch. So but I added starch and a teaspoon of the IMO liquid. So with this 20 liter of water, I mix and I cover it yesterday. I did it yesterday morning, so it's right now it's 24 hours. So this is their drinking water. I've not mixed it with their drinking water. But this is their feed. I mix it with their feed. I've already mixed the feed already. So I'm going to be taking from this one right now. So to add to their drinking water. So this is it. This is what I'm going to be giving them to drink this morning. I mix it with their feed. So I'm going to be taking this liquid, this water as well, to spray the floor and to spray their body. But this morning I'm not going to be spraying their body. I'm just going to be spraying the floor, and I've mixed it with their drinking water, their feed. So guys, let's go and see. First we'll feed them so that they will not disturb us. So let's go and feed them first, guys. So guys, you can see their drinking can. It's clean. So I've cleaned it this morning. I also cleaned where they are eating. I've put the feed for them. They are eating right now. So you can see these are the piglets. These are the piglets. They are more than they have passed the stage of piglets, really, because I think by August, by August I'll be crossing them. So I'll be crossing them. This month was their first heat. They were on their first heat this month. So by that was last month, June they were on their first heat. So this month, July to this month, will make it second heat. By August, the third heat, I'll be crossing them. So as you can see, they are eating, they're feeding. So this is the floor. As you can see, this is their poop. Their poop is dry. As you can see, the floor is dry, clean. You can really not perceive almost nothing. So you can't perceive anything. It does not smell. It's clean, dry. So I'm going to be spraying, and the pigs are clean as well. See them, they are not dirty. That's one thing I love about this IMO method. It makes the pigs to be clean, not dirty. They are dry and clean. So that is it. Let me show you. I'm going to be giving them the water that I mixed with IMO, and I'm going to be spraying them. the floor right now. So giving them the clean water and see, drinking water, eating at the same time. These animals are. So basically I just sprinkle the IMO like this. I'm supposed to be using jug, but I don't have jugs for now, so that's why I'm using my hands. So you make use of what you have. Make use of what you have. So that's what I do. I'm going to add more, like 1 rubber of this. Then after that, then I'll use rake to rake everything together. That's it. That's it. You see their poop? This is their poop. Very strong. That's what the IMO can do. Very strong. You can pick it up. This is the IMO. It makes their poop to be strong. As you can see, it's very strong. You pick it, just pick it with broom, and that's it. You are done. It does not smell. It's clean. Everywhere is clean. So that's the method. And so let's go and do their. I think this one we are done with this. I'll continue. Add 1 more rubber to this one, to this place, then rake. Then we are done. Then I'll go to the next pig. So this is the second rubber of this. I'm still going to be spraying it all over the room. Spray it on them. So as I said earlier, I'm just going to be picking the poop. Just pick it. Just pick the poop. So that is it, guys. That is all for this room. They can eat the sawdust. It won't affect them because of the IMO. They can eat it. It will not affect them. It won't do them any harm. So because of the IMO is the best. If you have to do pig, if I'm to advise you to do pig farming, go for IMO. Whether in large quantity or small scale, go for IMO. It's absolutely the best system of farming. IMO. So we are right in Nigeria. Yes, we do IMO in Nigeria. We're right in Nigeria. So in Benin City, that's what I do in my compound. People around me, they don't complain because there's no smell. That is why. So you can go for it. IMO method is the best. So let's go to the next room and see what I'll do there. Let's go, guys. Clean the inside the drinking can, guys. You can see it's clean. So the inside is clean. Right now she's eating. Eating right now. So I'm going to be putting some water, some clean water for her. So give them some clean water with the IMO in the water, and right now she's eating. So this is the inside. As you can see, it's clean. It's clean, clean, clean. As you can see, she's pregnant. She's pregnant. She's the mother of the 3 pig over there. The first room that we did. She's the mother. This is her second time. I think we brought her November last year. That's when we bought her, just this one pig alone. And because we don't have May, because when we bought her we did not buy May. If not, let's say we would have been preparing her for the 3rd meeting right now, but she's pregnant for the second time. So that's it, guys. And pig is a very fast growing animal. They are strong and tough, easy to manage, but you have to be strong because they are strong animals as well. So you have to be a strong person to handle them. So she's pregnant, hoping that she will give us more piglets this time, because the last time she gave birth to just 3 piglets, and it was not really encouraging. Though maybe where the farm we bought it from, I don't really know what went wrong, because actually we did not know the pig was pregnant. We just bought it like that. So surprisingly, the pig gave birth to 3 piglets. So this time that we really prepared ourselves to do it ourselves, let's see how many piglets the sow is going to give us this time. So that is it. She's eating right now, happy. This is her room. So I'm going to be spraying this room right now, this pen, with the IMO. I'm going to be spraying it. This is the sawdust. There's a sand, sawdust. That's all basically. But I know normally if you are really going to prepare the bed for IMO that will last for a very long time, you have to put in some wood, some bunch of leaves, and sawdust and spray with IMO. So but basically this is how I do my own simple method, because the floor was already smeared. That was why I just pour in sawdust and I spray in with the IMO. So guys, let's continue washing. So guys, you can see is what I also do. The same thing I did in the other pen is what I'm also doing right now. IMO water and spray it on her. And spray it on her as well. Same 2 rubber of this. Yeah, okay. It's not supposed to be wet. It's not supposed to be too dry. So she's really enjoying her meal, as you can see. So just the same thing. If you don't want to use broom, you can use rake. If you don't want to use broom, you can use rake to do this just to make the IMO go round the sound of the room. So guys, we are done for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please, as I said earlier, if this is your first time on this channel, Real Wisdom is from God's channel. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. Show some love, like, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section. Share the video. Continue watching my video. God will bless you. Support the channel. Subscribe. Just subscribe. That's all. So guys, see you in my next video. Love you guys. Stay tuned. Remain safe and blessed. God bless you all. Bye.